electro man, you are electro girl, electricity.
What is up, everybody? We have got our first storm of, well, this year basically. And well, it started out as a dust storm, but now it turned into like a rainy kind of storm. So it's pretty lightning-y out. So naturally, I'm out trying to get good shots of lightning. Duh. There's one. Oh man. I hope it shows up on my drift. Fucking dick. That I find important. Oh, another bike. Yeah, what's up, buddy? I gotta get a little ride on. It just got a little less boring. Wah, wah. There I go with the freaking noises again. Yeah. Get him on a video here. Try to get some good landings. Try to see what he's riding here. Some Yamaha. I think it's the YZF or something. Nice. Well, I kind of lost topic. I don't know, I found a friend. He's probably just wondering like, what the shit. Anyways, yeah. Not a big talker, whatever. Something about something. Something about something. Something. Wow, now I'm just singing. Got the smell of fresh rain in the air. So nice. But I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just kind of cruising off in the middle of nowhere. I told everybody I wouldn't be too long, but whatever. Oh, the storm's up over that way. Good. Not getting a lot of it. Yeah, that was a good ass one. Don't wear blinkers on. That'd be embarrassing. Oh, I get a lot of mist from these cars though. Going to blind. What's that?
What kind of camera is that?
It's a Drift 720.
Oh, nice, man.
It's a cheapy one, but it's pretty good actually.
I used to have a GoPro Hero, but I had to sell it.
Those are pretty good.
Bike.
It's a 93 CBR.
Nice, man.
Thanks. Yours is pretty good too. Oh, I got a friend. You ever do any vlogging or anything?
Huh?
You ever vlog?
I can't hear you, man.
You ever do any vlogging or anything like on YouTube? You just film? Just filmed with your GoPro? Yeah?
How much did that set you back?
What's that?
How much did it set you back?
It was only like 60 bucks from Amazon.
Shit, man.
And then like, if you want to do vlogging for like the microphone,
Yeah?
if you have like an Android, just get the recording app and just plug like a little microphone that has like a speaker on it, like from Walmart or whatever.
Nice.
It works pretty good. Fuck. That was sketchy. Bye, bruh. Okay, now that I'm way over here by my mom's, I might as well stop on in, huh? Oh man, this is where I wish I had like a little card holder on my bike with my YouTube and everything. So I could just be like, bam, hand that out to that dude. You know, I am gonna make that. I'm gonna make freaking vlogger cards, little business cards. And then anytime that happens, I could be like, hey, brah, message me on YouTube. Something, I don't know, it'd be cool. So it would turn out to be just a lightning thing. Is still just a lightning thing, but I met somebody. That's cool. All the good stuff's over there by the mountains, man. Whoa, that was a good one. Too bad that tree was in the way. Oh man, I hope I got some really nice ones on here. Little freeze frame action, make it a background.
We were born ready, ready to be free, chasing every thrill we could see. With our eyes steady, waking to a dream, aching to be thrown in the ring. If nothing comes easy,